प्यार हुआ किसी को ऐसा पिक्चर देखने के बाद? Have you ever like?
I didn't do anything, he didn't do anything.
कटता तो
चार में क्या कर लेते क्लास 4 में?
अरे हाथ तो पकड़ लेते.
School, yeah, there was one, and it was just so cute. And now that I think about it, I'm like, what the, you know, like, okay.
But I think my first crush was, I've spoken about this. She came and there was this one time she pulled my cheek and she said, "You look very cute," and that really made me so happy.
You can't explain or pinpoint कि क्या महसूस हो रहा है, लेकिन कुछ तो हो रहा है.
बट प्यारी था ना, कंफर्म कुछ और
Acidity.
मतलब सर घूम रहा है और
Yes.
like
क्या
fall in
बात
love.
कर रहे हो सर? Of course, yeah.
हाँ?
Come on.
Talk to us about that.
No.
तो एकदम कूद के नहीं आता था, सब चुप थे ना.
Okay, sorry.
Jibril, your first love, tell us. जब वो पहली बार ऐसा, you know.
School, yeah, there was one, and it was just so cute. And now that I think about it, I'm like, what the, you know, like, okay. But you know, it was just cute puppy love, you know, like writing छोटा chits and giving it in the
that's
class
cute.
cake,
That's
you know, like
cute.
let's catch up,
Right.
you know, like that. You know, just
Rohit, you've done this?
Chits I have not done.
No, you've done. Then what were you doing like?
straight to
BBM.
the point.
BBM is what had happened with me back in the days.
Right.
But I think my first crush was, I've spoken about this. And you know, now I feel like I should not keep saying that name because one day she will find me
हाँ.
and she will come and say कि तुमने मेरा नाम बहुत ज़्यादा बार use किया.
Miss Matre.
But there was this
Miss-
no Matre.
Miss
Who was the
Matre?
teacher?
Something with
Miss Charu.
Charu ma'am.
Charu ma'am in this school that I used to go to called Technia International School in Delhi.
Right.
And I was I think I was 5 or 6, and basically you know how there's like a hair removing ceremony in for every child.
Mundan.
Mundan.
Why
For me, the mundan happened when I was 5 years old.
हाँ.
So my hair was really long
Huh.
before that. And that was the first time I had no hair at all. When I got enrolled to Technia International School, I went as a bald child.
Okay.
And
I want to see this picture.
Oh my
you.
goodness.
And everyone around me, like the kids around me and all, they used to make really whatever, they used to make fun of me and all. So Charu ma'am and I would obviously get bothered about it because I knew that I had hair. It's just I didn't have it at that time.
Never heard this before.
It's
So
so
bad,
cute.
bro.
It's so cute. I have it. I just don't have it now.
Yeah.
So she came and there was this one time she pulled my cheek and she said, "You look very cute," and that really made me so happy. So yeah, that was the first time.
Charu ma'am
जिनकी
is a good
टीचर
one.
ऐसे करते वो नेशनल क्रश बनते हैं, बाकी लोग देखो कैसे बन जाते हैं. हमको नहीं किया किसी ने ऐसा करके.
Mundan is the way, guys.
हाँ, यार छोड़ दो.
And
वाली.
Mundan
your
is the way.
Mundan
Naila,
done.
for you,
Yes.
वो क्रश, वो पहला प्यार.
अरे ये नाइला अपनी ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छे से बताती है.
कौन सी?
मेरे दिल के तार
मुझे बार बार ये बहुत अच्छे से बताती है, इसको क्या क्या फीलिंग आती है अंदर, बहुत सुंदर तरीके से बताती
What
है.
she wants.
अरे कुछ नहीं है, बस ये था कि ऑफ कोर्स हुआ है एक लड़के पे जो मेरे क्लास में था. एंड वही था कि बटरफ्लाइज इन योर स्टमक,
हाँ.
लाइट हेडेडनेस,
क्या बात है.
and just this overwhelming feeling that you can't explain or pinpoint कि क्या महसूस हो रहा है, लेकिन कुछ तो हो रहा है अंदर.
बट प्यारी था ना, कंफर्म कुछ और.
Acidity.
मतलब सर घूम रहा है और
Gas.
बटरफ्लाइज इन योर स्टमक. फिर so did you like tell him?
Sorry, guys. Getting carried.
But yeah, I feel like that was the telltale signs for me
What
to
sign?
know.
You need to
Telltale.
take an Eno.
Sorry?
Telltale.
Telltale, sorry. Telltale.
He doesn't know anything, poor chap. Telltale signs for me to know that, in fact, I have fallen into the deep dive of feeling a crush.
Oh, that's cute, Naila.
भाई एलोक्यूशन चल रहा है यहाँ पे पूरा. Too good,
हमारा
सच में,
रोज का
मतलब
है.
too good.
Facts fallen in
Too
love.
good. मतलब मैं तो अभी
Guys
एकदम ऐसा हो गया
are
हूँ कि
so bad.
ASMR channel.
नहीं, too good यार,
चलो,
too good.
चलो.
Like, मैं 2 बार सब्सक्राइब करूंगा, एक नकली चैनल से भी करूंगा.
Very good.
For you. वो पहले वो क्या हुआ फिर उसका प्यार का? Sorry.
गया दिल्ली में है. Sorry.
दिल्ली में है?
गया.
आपको लग रहा है वो
Delhi,
देख-
guys. I'm just
I'm from
assuming.
Delhi originally, so yeah, of course my school was in
वो
Delhi.
दिल्ली में ही है.
हाँ,
क्या कर रहा है आजकल?
मुझे क्या पता. I've moved on.
Oh, you moved on. चलो ठीक है. Sorry
मेरा
bro.
मेरा विश्क चल रहा है.
हाँ, इनका विश चल रहा है. Sorry हाँ, sorry. हम लोग हाँ. For you.
4th grade.
वाह।
This हमारे स्कूल में पार्टनर्स हुआ करते थे एंड वेरी क्यूट बॉय, पर मुझे लगा ही डिडंट लाइक मी एट ऑल, क्योंकि आई यूज्ड टू थिंक मुझे मोटी बुला रहा है। फिर जाके पता चला कि वो मोती बोल रहा था। सो आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग, ही डिडंट डू एनीथिंग।
कटता तो
4 में क्या कर लेती क्लास 4 में?
अरे हाथ तो पकड़ लेते।
मोती किधर है तू?
मोती का पूरा कट गया ब्रो, उसका कट गया मोती का।
मोती जैसे दांत, क्या कर रहा है? देख किधर है वो? Thank you so much for being here with us. You guys are awesome.
This was a lovely interview.
Thank you so much. जाते जाते it's time for a musty selfie with these wonderful people.
Let's go.
Thank you.